Cooking for the first time can be a fun and empowering experience, whether you're a woman or a man. It's all about embracing the process with patience and confidence while prioritizing safety. Here are some motivational tips and safety advice to help you get started in the kitchen with ease. Motivational tips. Take it one step at a time, don't worry about being perfect. Start with simple recipes and gradually build your confidence. Each meal you prepare is progress, and you'll only get better with practice. It's okay to make mistakes. Cooking is an art, and like any art form, it takes time to master. If something goes wrong, learn from it and try again. The more you experiment, the better your skills will grow. Be proud of yourself. The first time you cook a meal from scratch is a huge accomplishment. Celebrate your success and enjoy the process of creating something nourishing. You are capable. No matter your experience level, you have everything it takes to cook. Just trust yourself and enjoy discovering new recipes and techniques. Safety tips for cooking. Always keep knives sharp and safe. A dull knife is more dangerous than a sharp one because it requires more force and can slip easily. Always cut away from your body, and when not in use, store knives securely out of reach, especially from children. Handle hot surfaces carefully. Use oven mitts or potholders when touching hot pots, pans, or trays. Be cautious with the stovetop and oven. Always double-check that the stove is turned off after use. Avoid cross-contamination. Wash your hands before and after handling raw meat, poultry, or fish, and keep separate cutting boards for raw and cooked foods. This helps prevent foodborne illnesses. Keep the kitchen organized. A cluttered kitchen can lead to accidents. Make sure your work area is clean, and ingredients tools are within easy reach, so you don't have to scramble to find something mid-cooking. Stay focused. Pay attention while cooking, especially when using sharp tools or working with hot liquids. Distractions can lead to burns, cuts, or accidents. Always turn off the stove if you step away, even for a moment. Know how to put out a grease fire. If you accidentally start a grease fire, don't use water. Cover the pan with a lid or use a fire extinguisher to put it out. Always have a small fire extinguisher in your kitchen for safety. Read instructions carefully. Before you start cooking, read through the recipe or the cooking instructions to ensure you understand the steps and have all necessary ingredients and tools. Bonus. Enjoy the process. Cooking is a skill that everyone can learn and improve over time. Whether you're cooking for yourself, friends, or family, it's a rewarding experience. Stay patient with yourself.